Ever wished there was a magic wand that could simplify all your payments, both online and in-store, across different platforms and even countries? Well, while we don't have a magic wand, Malaysia and Singapore have something pretty close: FavePay DuitNow QR. You might be thinking, another QR code payment? What's so special about this one? And that's a fair question. We've all seen QR codes for payments pop up everywhere, from your local Mamek stall to major retail chains. But FavePay DuitNow QR isn't just another QR code. It's a powerful integration that brings together the convenience of FavePay's loyalty and cashback features with the seamless interoperability of DuitNow QR. Let's break that down. First, FavePay. If you've ever used it, you know it's more than just a payment method. It's a lifestyle app that rewards you for your spending. Imagine getting instant cashback on your purchases, collecting loyalty points from your favorite merchants, and even discovering deals and discounts, all within a single app. FavePay transforms your payment into a rewarding experience, turning every transaction into an opportunity to save and earn. Now, let's talk about DuitNow QR. This is where the magic of interoperability comes in. DuitNow QR is Malaysia's national QR standard, facilitating instant payments between participating banks and e-wallets. What does that mean for you? It means you can use your banking app or any DuitNow-enabled e-wallet to scan any DuitNow QR code, regardless of which bank or e-wallet the merchant uses. No more fumbling with multiple apps or worrying about compatibility. It's a unified payment ecosystem that simplifies transactions across the board within Malaysia. So, when we put FavePay and DuitNow QR together, what do we get? We get a powerhouse payment solution that combines the best of both worlds. When you use FavePay DuitNow QR, you're not just making a payment, you're unlocking a host of benefits. For Malaysian users, this means enjoying all the cashback and loyalty rewards offered by FavePay while also leveraging the widespread acceptance of DuitNow QR. Whether you're paying at a local cafe, a large supermarket, or even an online store that supports DuitNow QR, you can simply scan the code with your Fave app and instantly enjoy the associated perks. But it gets even more interesting. For our friends in Singapore, the integration of DuitNow QR also extends to their national QR standard, SGQR. This cross-border interoperability is a game-changer. Imagine traveling from Singapore to Malaysia and being able to use your preferred Singaporean payment app to scan a DuitNow QR code in Malaysia, and vice versa. This is the promise of FavePay DuitNow QR, a future where payments are frictionless, borders become less of a barrier, and every transaction offers value. In essence, FavePay DuitNow QR is more than just a payment method. It's a smart, integrated solution designed to make your life easier and your money go further. It's about convenience, rewards, and seamless connectivity in the evolving digital payment landscape of Southeast Asia. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.